Read receipt on Gmail. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So reading receipt on Gmail is not available in the free version, but there is an alternative you can opt for. That is, you will have to add an extension. So simply go to Chrome, tap on the three dot, or search for Chrome Store. Go to Chrome Web Store and search for mail track. This one. All you have to do is add to Chrome. If this is not available, you can also use other one. You just have to add to Chrome if you have the access and simply use it in your Gmail to read receipt. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.